every night. While you're sound asleep, your muscles are actively shrinking. For seniors over 60, this is a silent, hidden threat that leaves you weaker by morning. What if there was a powerful solution to this nightly muscle loss, right in your kitchen? Today, we're revealing 8 science-backed bedtime foods that prevent this overnight muscle disappearance, helping you wake up stronger and maintain your independence. Let's unlock the powerful science behind overnight muscle preservation. It might surprise you, but the hours you spend sleeping are actually a critical battleground for your muscle health, especially for seniors over 60. During this long overnight fast, which can last 6 to 9 hours or more, your body desperately needs a constant supply of amino acids, the fundamental building blocks of protein, to repair muscle tissue that was stressed during the day and to fuel vital functions like immune response and organ repair. If these essential building blocks aren't readily available from your bloodstream, your body can enter a catabolic state. This means it begins to break down existing muscle tissue to obtain the amino acids it needs. For seniors, whose natural muscle protein synthesis is already less efficient due to a condition known as anabolic resistance, this nightly catabolism is particularly damaging. It directly accelerates age-related muscle loss, or sarcopenia, hindering your ability to build and maintain strength and impacting your mobility and independence. This quiet, overnight muscle breakdown is a hidden enemy, undermining all the hard work you put in during the day to stay active and healthy. So, why is this overnight window so uniquely challenging for muscle maintenance, and what's the counter strategy? The crux of the problem is the prolonged fasting period. Most proteins you consume during the day, such as those from lean meats, fish, or even a fast-acting whey protein shake, are digested relatively quickly. They provide a rapid surge of amino acids, which is excellent for immediate post-workout recovery when muscles are primed. However, this rapid supply typically runs out after just a few hours. This leaves your muscles in a vulnerable state for the majority of the night, without the continuous fuel needed for repair and growth. This is where the specific type and combination of nutrients you consume before bed become incredibly important. The solution involves providing your muscles with a sustained release of amino acids, acting like a slow-burning log on a fire, ensuring a continuous supply of building blocks throughout the entire night. This strategic approach aims to transform a period of potential weakness into a powerful opportunity for growth and repair, helping your muscles remain in an anabolic or muscle-building state, even during sleep. The profound significance of supporting muscle recovery and providing nutrients that aid repair and reduce inflammation during the overnight period, particularly to enhance muscle rebuilding and prevent age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, is now a cornerstone of nutritional science. Unlike muscles actively working during the day, muscles during sleep are primarily in a repair and growth phase that extends throughout the night. Issues like insufficient amino acid availability during this time, poor sleep quality, which impairs recovery hormones, or unresolved inflammation often operate in the background. There are no clear warning signs that your muscles aren't getting the support they need for optimal repair while you rest. This lack of support gradually undermines your body's ability to recover and rebuild muscle effectively until the cumulative effects become undeniable. Slower recovery from activity, difficulty gaining or maintaining muscle mass, or that persistent feeling of weakness and reduced physical capability. A powerful finding, revealed by numerous studies focusing on aging, muscle metabolism, and sleep, consuming specific nutrients or compounds before bed that enhance sleep quality and provide anti-inflammatory benefits can significantly improve overnight muscle recovery and contribute to better muscle strength maintenance over time. The challenging reality isn't just that slower recovery occurs or muscle loss happens, it's that many seniors over 60 don't realize how powerful a few simple, scientifically supported foods eaten before bed can be in protecting their muscle health and strength while they sleep. This process of less optimized overnight muscle rebuilding can subtly contribute to the age-related loss of muscle mass and hinder strength gains for many, often impacting their physical capability as they reach their 50s and beyond. Drawing from scientific understanding of protein digestion rates, overnight muscle metabolism, and the role of various nutrients in repair and recovery, specific foods emerge as ideal for bedtime consumption due to their unique ability to provide comprehensive support for preventing overnight muscle loss in seniors over 60. Here are the 8 science-backed bedtime foods to prevent overnight muscle loss after age 60. Cottage cheese. This dairy powerhouse is a top choice due to its high concentration of casein protein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein that forms a gel in the stomach, leading to a gradual release of amino acids over 6 to 8 hours. This sustained supply is crucial for fueling muscle repair and protein synthesis throughout the long overnight fast, effectively preventing muscle breakdown. It's like a consistent drip of muscle-building blocks while you sleep. Cottage cheese is also rich in calcium, supporting bone health, which provides a strong framework for muscles. How to eat it? Consume about 1 to 1.5 cups, around 150 to 225 grams, of plain cottage cheese 30 to 60 minutes before bed. You can add a few berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor without adding excessive sugar. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are considered a complete protein, meaning they contain all essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and building, including a good amount of leucine which signals muscle growth. While not as slow-digesting as pure casein, their protein blend provides a sustained release over several hours. Importantly, egg whites are rich in glycine and proline, amino acids crucial for collagen synthesis, which supports the connective tissues around muscles, tendons, fascia, and aids in overall tissue integrity, enhancing muscle function and repair. They also offer vitamin D and B vitamins. How to eat them? Consume 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs about an hour before bedtime. They are convenient, affordable, and provide excellent protein and supporting nutrients. Tuna in olive oil. This might seem surprising for bedtime, but tuna in olive oil offers a powerful combination. Tuna provides high-quality protein, including leucine, for muscle repair. When packed in olive oil, it means you're getting a good source of healthy monounsaturated fats. More importantly, certain types of tuna, like skipjack or light tuna, contain omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These are potent anti-inflammatory agents that actively reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after exercise, directly aiding recovery. They also support overall cellular health and can improve muscle protein synthesis efficiency. The healthy fats can also help slow digestion slightly. How to eat it? Choose can light/skipjack tuna. Drain excess oil if desired, or consume with a small portion of the olive oil. Have about a 3-ounce serving, around 85 grams. As part of a light, protein-focused snack 1 to 2 hours before bed. Plain Greek yogurt. Similar to cottage cheese, plain Greek yogurt is another excellent source of slow-digesting casein protein, making it ideal for sustained overnight amino acid delivery. It also contains beneficial probiotics for gut health, which can aid in overall nutrient absorption and reduce inflammation, indirectly supporting muscle health. It's also rich in calcium and often fortified with vitamin D. How to eat it? Have about 1 to 1.5 cups, 150 to 225 grams, of plain Greek yogurt about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Pair it with a small handful of walnuts, or a few berries for added benefits. Golden milk. This warm, soothing beverage, traditionally used to promote relaxation, is a powerful anti-inflammatory for muscles and joints, which indirectly supports overnight muscle repair. Its key ingredient is turmeric, containing curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. When made with milk, dairy, or fortified plant-based, it also provides some protein, and the healthy fats from the milk or added coconut oil can enhance curcumin absorption. Reducing inflammation actively aids muscle recovery and prevents breakdown. How to drink it? Prepare a cup of golden milk, warm milk plus 1 teaspoon turmeric, pinch of black pepper for absorption, pinch of cinnamon/ginger, optional sweetener like honey, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Almond butter. Almond butter provides a good source of plant-based protein, healthy monounsaturated fats, and is rich in magnesium. Magnesium is a crucial mineral for muscle relaxation, nerve function, and overall energy production. Deficiency can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue, hindering recovery. Almonds also contain a small amount of melatonin and calcium, both of which contribute to better sleep quality and muscle function, allowing for more restorative overnight repair. How to eat it? Spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of natural almond butter on a small piece of whole grain toast or a few apple slices, or simply eat it by the spoonful, about an hour before bedtime. Tart cherry juice, unsweetened. This natural beverage is a powerhouse for overnight recovery due to its unique composition. It's packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, anthocyanins, that help reduce post-activity muscle soreness and systemic inflammation, creating a better environment for muscle repair. Tart cherry juice is also a natural source of melatonin, promoting better sleep quality. Better, deeper sleep is vital for muscle growth and repair, as growth hormone is released during deep sleep. How to drink it? Consume about 8 to 10 ounces, 240 to 300 milliliters, of 100% tart cherry juice, unsweetened, about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. It's often beneficial to pair this with a small protein source. Whey protein shake, while often thought of as a post-workout, fast-digesting protein, specific research indicates that a larger dose of whey protein before bed, around 40 g, can also be effective at stimulating muscle protein synthesis and promoting overnight recovery, particularly due to its high leucine content. While casein is traditionally preferred for its slow release, studies show whey can also be utilized efficiently overnight at higher doses, especially if combined with fat or fiber to slightly slow its digestion. How to drink it? Mix 40 grams of whey protein isolate or concentrate powder with milk for added casein. Or water, perhaps blending in a tablespoon of healthy fat like almond butter or chia seeds, about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. These 8 bedtime foods provide a powerful combination of slow-digesting protein, essential amino acids, anti-inflammatory compounds, minerals for muscle function, and natural sleep aids. By strategically including one or a combination of these foods in your nightly routine, you are turning your sleep into a powerful muscle rebuilding session, directly fighting against age-related muscle loss. To recap, preventing nightly muscle loss after 60 is not a myth you must accept. It's a scientific reality that can be effectively managed by strategically fueling your body before bed. By choosing casein-rich dairy, eggs, tuna and olive oil, golden milk, almond butter, tart cherry juice, and whey protein, you provide your muscles with the sustained nutrients, anti-inflammatory support, and sleep enhancement they need to repair, rebuild, and strengthen throughout the night. This is your powerful defense against the silent disappearance of muscle. Taking this one small step to incorporate these science-backed bedtime foods could make a profound difference in your muscle health, strength, and overall vitality. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Show this video to a loved one who is over 60 and concerned about maintaining their strength. This simple strategy could be incredibly valuable for them. Ready to turn your sleep into a muscle-building powerhouse? Choose one of these 8 bedtime foods and tell us your choice in the comments below, so we can celebrate your commitment.